Canada taps into strategic reserves to deal with massive shortage of maple syrup. It's here. Check it out. It is here. The new steering wheel for my Sky. And it is well packaged, to say the least. Let's take a look at this bad boy. And it's nice and padded for the shipping. Let's take this foaming off. Ow. Nice. All right, so I want to give a quick shout out to Michael Treviso. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but hopefully I did, for giving us the heads up of a guy on eBay that was selling these wheels, these steering wheels, for a lot cheaper than other alternative places to buy them from. This actually got on eBay. I will put a link in the description for, I believe it was about $269 or $270, something like that. And I was kind of skeptical at first of the quality, but now that I'm looking at it, I really like it. You can also get the top and the bottom with a carbon fiber, like real carbon fiber. I think that's about $400 and some. Or they can do a hydro dipped carbon fiber on the top and bottom, which is the same price as this one here. I went with the full leather because I don't have anything inside my car that's also carbon fiber, so I figured it would look better that way. Okay, and they make these wheels from a 2006 to 2013 Corvette C6 Z06. And thankfully, our Skies and Solstice and Opel GTs are part spin cars, so we actually share the same steering wheel as the Corvette in those years, which is nice. And again, like I said, this is like really, I thought it was going to be really thick based on a photo that was placed up on Facebook, but this is actually a good size as far as the thickness. And I like the flat bottom as well. Flat bottom's really cool. And actually one of the benefits of the flat bottom, I didn't even think about it until right now, is when I get in and out of my Sky, it'll be easier with leg room to slide underneath into the seat. So this, like I said, what I'll have to do is take my wheel off and take the airbag off, and I'm just going to replace it and just put it right onto here. And it is a direct fit, which is cool. I like the grip. I mean, this is going to be great for autocross. You know what I mean? It's a really nice, the thumbs area here. And 3 and 9, whenever you're driving, especially in autocross, is usually where you keep your hands all the time. So I like it. I like it a lot. Looking at some of these details, this is the center line. It's also made out of leather. And you can see the leather stitching goes all the way down. I don't know if that's called a baseball stitching or just a regular stitching. I'm not really sure. But it does go all around. It's nice and bright red. So if you have a bright red interior, this works out. Unfortunately, at the time, they didn't have any other colors besides the red. But that's what my car is going to be anyway. It has the perforated leather for the hands in the left and the right and left side, and then your leather down here. It all looks like good quality. Actually, let's look at the back. Same thing, same leather going all the way through, and the stitching, and even around these areas it looks pretty decent, the way they put it together, and here and all the way around. So yeah, I mean, it has the indentations, like I said, for your fingers going around here on the back for you as well, and on the bottom of the back also, which is nice. I will be installing this when I get back after Christmas, and I will make another video, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. Nice close-up shots, and like I said, so far so good. And we'll see how it looks once it's installed. So that's the end of this short, quick unboxing video of the steering wheel that I'm going to be putting in my Sky. And it also fits in the Solstice and the Opel GT. I will have a link below in the description of where you can pick that up on eBay. I hope you like this video. I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic Christmas and a great New Year's. Stay safe. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll be told when I come out with new videos, and then it's going to tell you whenever I'm going to actually have this new steering wheel installed in my Sky, so you don't want to miss that. So until then, I will talk to you guys later.